happy March, everybody. We hope your month has been going amazing. For us here at Muscle Activation in Schaumburg, we've been focused on a lot of really cool kind of virtual stuff, ways of helping people exercise online through content, through workouts, and that's really been our focus here for the month of March.
One thing that we've been working on is the current One Workout Away Challenge, which we just wrapped up. It was really cool. We had a handful of new people in this last round. So if you're interested in working with us for an entire 28 days, you can sign up for the next One Workout Away Challenge, which is going to be focused on core and cardio, and it will be kicking off on May 1st. So registration does close the night before it starts, so make sure you sign up before May 1st by going to owa.matschaumburg.com.
Another thing that we've been really focusing on here is every single week I've been doing a live training on Zoom, teaching people how to exercise for life, the secrets that need to be understood and applied in order to consistently build your health with exercise through doing workouts that are sustainable for your body and for your life. So if you'd like to join me for this free training, there's another one kicking off soon. All you have to do to get registered is go to secrets.exerciseforlifemethod.com.
As always, our podcast is still going strong, so as you get back to your commutes or you're getting into some spring cleaning, plug in our podcast in your ears and give us a listen. We've been getting some amazing reviews and feedbacks on people applying the education that we're giving through the podcast. I know content like this and content on our social media has to be super short and quick, but if you're wanting a deeper dive of information into applying exercise to improve your health, definitely check out the Exercise is Health podcast by checking it out on any podcasting platform.
And now it's time for our Rapid Fire 3.
Okay.
That's what I'm calling it this month, all right?
I know, that's good.
So I'm going to ask Julie a question. She has to give me her top 3 in rapid style fashion. So Julie, you just mentioned about listening to the podcast, while you're cleaning or while you're commuting. So I want to know, where are your top 3 environments or activities that you do in which you listen to the Exercise is Health podcast?
Okay, driving, doing dishes, and gardening.
Oh, awesome. Well, springtime is a great time to get the gardening done, so I'm sure there's going to be a lot of that happening.
Yeah.
Certainly at our house, we hope it is for you as well, but we want to know, what are your top 3 times in which you listen to the Exercise is Health podcast? If you're like, well, I don't listen to the Exercise is Health, then you need to.
We gotta get started.
Go to exerciseshealthpodcast.com, subscribe on any podcast platform that you prefer to listen on, and then you can let us know by leaving a comment below or replying back to this message of what your top 3 areas, activities, whatever that you're doing when you're listening to the Exercise is Health podcast are. So hey, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic rest of your March. Have an amazing April. We'll talk with you all at the end of next month. See ya.